We have the outright payment plan and we have this installment payment plan. Yes. So all you need to do is just to fill the power audit form. I will send you a link and you fill the form, then you submit it, then I will take it from there. You are welcome. Thank you. This is Engineer Asana, and I am here to introduce you to a reliable company that can solve all your power needs. That company is Subway Energy Limited. We have been in the solar industry for decades and we know the pros and cons in the solar industry. We have heard of so many failed solar system installation, cases where people's houses got burnt, solar system after 6 months it fails. This and many more are caused by you patronizing quacks in the solar industry. In Subway Energy Limited, none of our solar system installation had ever failed because we give you the best when it comes to installing solar. First of all, we need to talk to you, ask you certain questions about your power need, and after that, we either come to your facility to do a comprehensive power audit. When we can't come to your facility, we will send you a form to fill and submit to us. That would be what we will use to design the solar system. Then we will move from there. We design a system, a customized system that meets your specific needs based on the information you give us. Then after that, we will need to ask you your budget because we give clients solar solutions based on their budget. Irrespective of the fact that you want to power all your electrical loads, your budget might not take that. So we ask you, how much do you budget for this project? When you tell us that, we will design a customized system that meets your budget. After that, we procure the best materials for your solar system installation. We went on to do professional solar system installation for you. We put all the protective mechanisms and we educate you on how to use the solar system. Basically, some people, because they have constant power, they abuse the solar system. But when you meet Subway Energy Limited, your power problem is totally resolved. We cannot install solar system for you and in 5 years' time you have problem. We wouldn't have been able to survive in the solar industry if we have been installing failed solar system for clients. No, this is real business and we take it to the next level if you meet us. And there's more to this when you meet Subway Energy Limited to solve your power problem. We are one of the leading experts in the industry. For more information about our services, always private chats or call 08067430921, or you check our website www.subwaylimited.com. Basically, we have our installment plan in which you can pay only 30% and the solar system will be installed in your facility. Or if you have the complete money to pay us to do the installation for you, you are free. But if you don't have the complete money to do your solar system installation, instead of going for fake materials, fake product, because you don't have the money, you can meet us and we enroll you into our installment payment plan. We have 6-month plan, 3 months plan, 9 months plan, 1 year plan, in which irrespective of the size of the solar system installation you need in your facility, all you do is pay us 30% of the total cost. Yes, pay us 30% of the total cost and the materials will be deployed to you. If you are interested in any of these services, All you need to do is to DM me with the number I told you, or you log into our website. I'll give you a link in which you fill the power audit form, because it is the power audit form that will enable me size your system effectively. Some people say, I need 5 kVA, what is the cost? I need to design the system. I need to know electrical load that will be powering with the system. And I need to ask you certain questions that will enable me size the system professionally. We don't want a situation whereby tomorrow you call us, your system is misbehaving. That is the reason you need to fill the power audit form. Subway Energy Limited lights up your world. A trial will always convince you.